Local search engine optimization, often called local SEO, is the focus of this presentation. We will explore how to optimize your online presence for local businesses. This is mastering the search engine optimization for local businesses. Local SEO is about optimizing your online visibility to attract customers from relevant local searches. It's designed to reach individuals looking for businesses in their area. It focuses on geographical keywords and what the locals are intending to search, such as near-me searches, which are location-based. Local SEO is essential for businesses that have a physical location, like a store, or who serve customers in specific areas. There are 4 key components to local SEO. The first is your Google business profile. This is your business listing on Google, and it should be complete, verified, and kept updated with accurate information and photos. Next is your local content, which is specific to your business location. It must target local keywords and address the needs of your community. Citations and NAP is also very important. Ensure your business name, address, and phone number are consistent across all platforms and online directories. And finally, reviews and ratings. You should actively monitor, manage, and respond to reviews on all platforms. Let's take a closer look at optimizing your Google business profile. First, complete all the business information accurately in each section of your profile, including your business category, attributes, and services. Second, implement a visual content strategy by adding high-quality photos and videos of your business, products, your team, and workplace. Make sure to do this regularly. Next, post regular updates, offers, and event news to keep your profile engaging. Finally, actively monitor and respond to customer reviews promptly and professionally. Creating local content is essential for a good local SEO strategy. First, create location-specific pages for each service area you cover. Then, integrate local keywords naturally in your content, like dentist in Miami Beach, or emergency dental care in South Beach, or Miami Beach family dentistry. Also, you must cover local news and events in your content that are relevant to your business. A good content structure example will be, the header should have local keywords. Then, a description of the local area, followed by service information and local customer reviews. Citations and NAP consistency are very important. NAP refers to your business name, address, and phone number. You must maintain information standards by ensuring that your business name is written exactly the same way everywhere. Your addresses must be consistent with format and abbreviations, and your phone number should include the area code and consistent formatting. Some key citation platforms include Google Business Profile, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Facebook, and various other local directories. Ensure these platforms are updated with the correct information. An effective review management strategy is vital. First, you must monitor reviews daily by setting up alerts and checking all platforms regularly for new customer feedback. Respond promptly by replying to reviews within 24 to 48 hours, both positive and negative. Personalize your responses by addressing reviewers by name and referencing specific details in their feedback. Finally, generate reviews by implementing a systematic approach to request reviews from satisfied customers. Here is a sample review and a response. Additionally, metrics show that a large percentage of customers read and trust local reviews, which results in higher click-through rates and more conversions. Technical SEO is crucial for local businesses. First, you must implement schema markup in your website's code. This helps search engines understand your business details. Here is an example of schema markup with a script tag, context type, local business type, name, address, and geo-coordinates. Also, make sure to optimize your website for mobile devices by implementing responsive design and fast loading. Improve your page speed by optimizing images, leveraging caching, and minimizing server response times. Finally, implement an HTTPS protocol for secure user connections with SSL security. Several tools and analytics can help you manage your local SEO. Google Search Console is a tool to monitor search performance and identify local search queries. Google Analytics helps track local traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. A local citation finder will discover and manage local business listings. And review management tools will help to monitor and respond to customer reviews across platforms. Track essential metrics such as local search visibility, click-through rates, local conversion rates, and review score impact. Here are some core takeaways. Local SEO requires a comprehensive strategy that combines optimized content, technical elements, and user engagement. Consistent information, by maintaining accurate and consistent name, address, and phone numbers across all platforms and directories. Actively managing and responding to reviews is also very important. Finally, make data-driven decisions by using analytics and tools to track performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. As next steps, create a timeline and start by setting up and optimizing your Google Business Profile, implementing your local content strategy and schema markup, and creating and verifying local business citations. Also, establish a review management system and set up tracking and monitoring tools to review and adjust your strategies. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.